Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the brand new Daily Charm Charm Gel Holographic Twinkle collection, and this is a collection of flash gels. If you haven't seen flash gels yet, they are taking over Instagram. It is a reflective glitter that shines brighter in certain lighting. So it's a really gorgeous glitter gel, and in certain lighting it gets really bright and super ultra glittery. And Daily Charm, I love their brand new collection. They have actually added a really fine holographic glitter into the reflective glitters, so it makes it even more sparkly. It just adds that extra little twinkle. So this is their holographic twinkle collection, and I'm so excited to share it with you. And these are the beautiful colors. There is 12 in the collection, and I'm going to go through the colors, and then I'm going to show you a couple tutorials or little kind of nail art designs that you can do with them as well. I also wanted to mention that I do have a discount code for dailycharm.com, which is KD10, and that'll save you 10%. And if you actually buy the entire collection as a whole, you get 25% off. And so then you could save an extra 10% off with my code. So that's a really good deal if you are looking to purchase the entire collection. Let's dive right into the colors. So the first color we have is H61, and it's called Suncatcher, and this is going to be your silver. You'll notice all of these colors and numbers they have an H in front of the number, and that just stands for holographic, so it has a holographic glitter inside of it. So you'll notice it is a little bit transparent, and from all of the reflective glitter gels that I've tried, they usually are a little bit transparent. However, if you want a totally full coverage look, I would just suggest pairing it with a solid gel polish color underneath and then putting the glitter on top. The second color is H62. It's called Hocus Pocus, and it's a really pretty like gunmetal glitter color, kind of like a dark gray. Next we have H63, which is Abracadabra, and this is going to be your black. There, I wanted to show you guys, like if you look close up and it blurs out, you can see that really pretty holographic sparkle. But this is definitely a blue based black, so it has like a tinge of blue in it, but you can't really tell. I've used this one already, and again, I just did a coat of black gel polish, and then I did one coat of this glitter on top, and then it was totally opaque and gorgeous. But I just wanted you to see what they look like with just the glitter and no color underneath. Here's all three of the first ones paired together so you can get a comparison. So we have the silver, we have Hocus Pocus in the middle, which is the gray, and then we have the black, which is Abracadabra. Next we have H64, which is Magic Wand. It's going to be your brown. Next is H65, which is called Dorothy, which is going to be your red. And I foresee this color in the winter time, December. This color is going to be a huge one. I can already tell. In December, I do so much red and red glitter that my clients are going to love this one. So definitely H65 Dorothy for the winter time. Next we have H66, which is Briar Rose, and it's going to be like a dusty rosy pink. H67, which is called Fairyland, which is a little bit of a lighter pink than the last one. And here's a quick comparison of the red, H65, and then we have H66 in the middle, and then H67. Next is H68 Enchantment, and this is going to be kind of like a light brown bronzy color. H69, which is Goldilocks, and this is going to be your gold. H70 Ariel, which is a really pretty like tealish aqua blue. H71 Glass Slipper is going to be your blue color. And lastly, we have H72, which is called Spellbound, and it's going to be your purple. So here's a quick comparison that I filmed on my phone. The left side does not have my flash on, the right side does have my flash on. So you can see the left side's still super sparkly and the right side just has that ultra reflective quality with the flash. So here's just a couple ways that you could use these gel polishes for nail art. So I'm starting with 2 coats of this H85, which is a really pretty neutral with some holographic sparkle in it. And I put a little bit of H62, which is Hocus Pocus, that dark gray twinkle gel on my palette, and I'm just going to create a nice really pretty swirl, and then I'm going to use some black and white gel paint just to add some other swirls, and it's going to give you this gorgeous reflective super sparkly swirl design, super trendy right now as well. For the second nail, I did 2 coats of H61 Suncatcher, which is the silver, and I stamped a houndstooth pattern in black over the top, and that's all I did. And then I just top coated, and then that nail is done, and it gives this super gorgeous ultra sparkly houndstooth pattern. I think it's super glam. So I'd love to know what you guys think of this collection or the flash gels if you have used them before. My clients are loving them. I think they're stunning, and like the way that they kind of change depending on the lighting is so fun, and it just adds that extra awesome element to them more than like a regular glitter gel. I love them. I think they're gorgeous. So I'd love to know your opinions if this is something that you're going to pick up, or if you think it's just a trend that's going to fade away and we're never going to see again. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video.